Hey guys, Andrew Wolf with the Oldfather Group here. Today we're at 218 North Heron Drive. This place is located in Ocean City, Maryland. It has beautiful bay views. It's within walking distance of the beach. Why don't we take a look inside? As you make your way inside, you'll be met with an open floor plan, a luxurious coastal feel. The living room, renovated recently, has recessed lighting and dual sliding glass doors that take you out to a deck with a serene view of the bay. The whole property was recently renovated since 2017. And as you come into the kitchen, you'll find quartz countertops, a marble backsplash, a tremendous amount of storage, and stainless steel appliances throughout. Let's check out upstairs. Upstairs you'll find the owner's suite with a breathtaking view of Fenwick Island, a tremendous amount of natural lighting, recessed lighting throughout, its own ensuite bathroom that was recently renovated in 2017. Just check out this beautiful view. Throughout the upstairs hall, there's an additional full bath, a bedroom with a queen-size bed, and an additional bedroom with 6 custom bunk beds, allowing you to comfortably sleep 10 individuals. Thank you for joining me on the tour today, guys. If you guys have any questions about this property or any others, you can reach me directly at andrew.wolf@theoldfathergroup.com.